How to enable limit maximum volume on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to limit the maximum volume of your media player on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, it's worth noting that once you enable limit maximum volume on your iPhone, this won't affect your iPhone ringtone or incoming call alert. So this will only affect the media you play through your iPhone built-in speaker. So to do this, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, you need to make sure that your iPhone is running latest iOS 18.2. So if it's on iOS 18.1, you might not be able to see this feature on your phone. So just go to your general page, click on software update, and then update your iPhone to the latest version. As you can see, I now have iOS 18.2 beta 4. So just go ahead, download and upgrade your iPhone to the latest variant. And then once you're done downloading the latest update to your phone, now scroll down, click on Sounds and Haptics. Under Sounds and Haptics, scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you get to built-in speaker, and here click on volume limit. Now once you click on volume limit, you should say limit maximum volume. Then you should say set a limit for how loud your iPhone speaker can play audio such as song, movie, and other media. So just turn this on, and here you'll be prompted to set the maximum volume limit. So if you want to set the maximum volume limit to 90%, then adjust that. And if you want to set the maximum volume limit to 20%, bring it down there. Advisably, you can just go 50 or 60, and then you're good to go. So after this, your iPhone maximum volume limit will be set to 60 decibel. So that is basically how to enable limit maximum volume on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.